I wanted to do a short video of Ace being ridden. Ace is the one that came in last year as a long weanling that wasn't halter broke, and we halter broke him last year. Now he's about 2.5, close to 3, and we're getting him started under saddle. His mama was a halflinger. We don't know what his daddy was. I'm thinking maybe a Welsh or Cobb or something like that. And because it kind of slimmed him down. He's not as thick as a halflinger, and of course he don't have the color of a halflinger, but it kind of refined him down. But he does have the kind of that little bit of a halflinger type attitude. He can be a little bit pushy, a little bit not wanting to do what's asked of him to do, mainly as far as steering. He has been good as far as riding. He doesn't really want to be real bad. He's just not real happy about being steered. And I've done a lot of long lining, a lot of ground driving. He knows how to be steered. It's just his willingness to allow us to steer him is where his issue is. So we're working on that. Robert has been riding him in here and riding him out, and notice he started with the circles just like we always do. Right there, just a little bit not quite wanting to do what's asked of him, wanting to do his own thing, but not bad. He's not belligerent about it. This is going to make a really nice horse. He just needs a little bit more willingness to do what's asked. He doesn't put much effort into being bad, which is nice. The people that own him, they bought his mama for their kids, the halflinger mare, and brought her home, and a few months later he was born. So they didn't even know she was pregnant. He was a total surprise, but at least he's turned out to be a pretty nice surprise. They weren't really prepared for a young horse this quick in their horse ownership career, but it's working out okay. See the little bit of head pushing, that's just a little bit of him just resisting being steered. Robert has the reins clipped to the halter, so he's pulling on the halter, not the bit, and Ace is carrying the bit to get him used to carrying it, but we're actually pulling on the halter. See, that was a good example right there. Ace kind of stopped and said no just a little bit and got a little stiff, and just Robert pushed him on forward. That's really what we're working with, and that's not bad at all. We can definitely work with that. Not a problem. This is going to make a nice horse. The nice thing is he doesn't mind us being on him. He's not scared about it. He's not worried about it. He's not really mad about it. So he's gonna end up being a good broke horse, good broke little pony, big pony, small horse, something like that. I suspect that his daddy might have been a Welsh. I don't really know. Just kind of the way it refined him a little bit and turned him black. It's just my guess. So I'll have a playlist of Ace I'm not remember if I started a new playlist. I think I've been putting these videos on with the playlist from last year when we halter broke him. So look for the playlist of Ace. Until next time, thank you for watching.